This is very exciting. I'm very excited for him. So we had a total of 611 entries. And there's going to be one singular winner. And one of the big things is this is a US only, because I'm the one shipping it out and I can't ship internationally. So if the first name that I pull, you just so happen to be from like Azerbaijan, sorry, I'm going to have to move on to the next one. I don't have a drum roll button. We'll use the Huckled Gaming button. Get it? Because you get it. You get it. But let's go ahead and pull a winner. 2 winners unpicked. Well, no, there's only one prize. It required me to put it in separately, but one winner is going to win both of them. So one winner wins both of these. Let's draw one winner. One winner. Draw. Drawing. It's drawing. Edward Savage. Edward Savage. And okay, so you're in the United States. You look like a reseller, and I said no bot accounts. I was really, yeah, this is just a bot account. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna revoke. You know, it's not like I'm giving away an Xbox One X or anything like that, but the one that I give this to, I want them to appreciate it. I want them to use it, you know? Carlos, oh no, Carlos, you won, but you're from Peru, my friend. I am sorry. I'm sorry, but you're from Peru. I said US only. I hope this doesn't go on for too long. India. All right, so we're revoking that one. That's invalid. There we go. Michael Yee from Brooklyn, USA. Let's make sure that he is an actual person. Michael Yee is an actual person, ladies and gentlemen. He's not a bot. This is very exciting. I'm very excited for him. Well, Michael, if you're watching now, congratulations. You've won the Xbox controller valued at $70 or less, and 6 months of Game Pass Ultimate, which I will be emailing to you. I've got the codes for you. They're broken up into two 3-month codes. So you can either give yourself all 6 months or give one to a loved one, or give it away on your own channel if you have something like that.
Heart.